There, got stingers on the roof now. Where's that? Their stealth jet. Oh, God, fuck, damn it. Yeah, they got stingers or igloos or something. It's driving me nuts.
AA mine down.
Keep bombing the roof, but hitting nothing.
I need reps. If somebody can spawn.
Give me that jet
reps.
No, I'm shooting with a gun. I'm just not getting any kills with bombs. They're jumping off. That works too.
Wow, seriously?
Oh wow, they're all over that half roof. Just drop one JDAM there, please. Oh my gosh. Where's our little bird? Maybe I'll take our little bird.
I just died. I needed reps.
Little bird, said I'm a little busy shooting their LAV trying to flank to Bravo. Killed most of our other guys.
I'll focus this boat real quick. I'm hitting the boat once.
All the stab guys on the
off.
fucking roof there, they're all fucking hiding in the elevators now.
So they keep bombing
fucking
them.
little bird with fucking ground pounders up there.
Ow, that hurt.
Spawn on me.
Shit,
die
I flew
fast.
up into the goddamn sky. Looking backwards,
Oh,
too long.
Arm, get on the roof.
Please spawn on me with a beacon. Please. Oh gosh, I'm getting shot. I made it. I made it. Someone spawn on me with a beacon fast. Beacon truck. Beacon truck. Spawn me a beacon. Spawn me a beacon.
Yeah, there we go. I got one with a bomb.
I got two. Arm, can you pick me up?
Spawn me. No, I'm up here. I'm trying to get a beacon down before I move. Someone spawn me with a beacon. Alright, nice.
Oh no, I'm on fire, but I got one with a bomb.
Got one of them. Elevators are coming up there. I don't know if it's friendly enemy.
Crap, they took the fly, guys.
Alright, in here. The other one, the elevator. Got one guy, two guys, one more. He's in the elevator still. Shit.
One on my body down the low.
Spawn on me now so we can take this flag back.
As long as we keep that beacon up, we're okay. We always get the roof back. They can't get that beacon.
They can with the fucking
They can already it.
The jet. Out they're gonna go with trying to get that.
Are they mortaring it?
No, we have the already. Pretty sure we have the already.
We did a few seconds ago.
Fuck, they're back on the roof.
Jet or something shooting at it. Little bird.
Oh, it's down.
Ah! I hadn't even gotten to the ground yet and I got shot.
There, I found their beacon on this lower roof. Just one more.
Jump for the little bird. Stealth jet.
You just one-shot me to the dome.
We're losing all our flags.
My body. Everywhere it dropped.
We just lost objective Bravo. I spotted a hostile vehicle.
Alright, finish Bravo.
One in the pool.
Down yet? Or is he still up?
I don't know. I think he's back there.
Yeah,
Now
he's
they're
down.
bombing the roof. This is hilarious.
Going Delta.
Objective Delta has been neutralized. Listen up.
Shit, they have the AA. When did that happen?
Secure location. Soldiers,
Yeah, I spotted at least 3 at Delta right now.
I got the Grozes. No, I didn't get the. Damn it.
Bye-bye.
It's gonna star.
I put fucking 3 mines on the AA and jump the fuck out.
we now control objective Alpha.
Move up.
Guys, Nathan there. Walk over it.
Be advised, helicopter north.
AA. LA.
Quote 2.